The system is not really about the container, it's about the contents and the process of going through it and having all this information in one place. We do have a variety of different containers that suit the needs for people that have different needs. They would like a fire-resistant box or they would like a portable box. Our original box is portable because we found when we made the very first one, when my dad passed away and we had to gather this information, we were going to lawyers' offices and banks and we wanted to be able to carry it around. Other boxes are bigger that if you want to store more information in them. However, it doesn't matter. You can put the system in a file cabinet, you can put it in a pretty box on a shelf. However a person would like to store this information, they can. We sell it without a box. And we also have one other version that is kind of a DIY version that maybe you have a bunch of folders around and you want to recycle those. It's a great option if you want to DIY, recycle what you've got, and it's just a more sustainable option than having to buy all new components.